Copywriting is the heart of content marketing, transforming casual browsers into loyal customers through persuasive writing. This presentation will explore how effective copywriting drives business results by blending creative storytelling, strategic marketing, and psychological insights. Copywriting is the art and science of crafting compelling text that motivates action. It bridges interest and action, whether it's a purchase or a newsletter sign-up. At its core, it blends creative storytelling, strategic marketing, and psychological insight into human behavior and decision-making. Copywriting is concise, persuasive, and conversion-focused, using direct calls to action in short-form content. In contrast, content writing is informative, educational, and engagement-focused, employing broader storytelling in long-form articles. Both are crucial in content marketing, serving different strategic goals within the marketing funnel. Copywriting is crucial in content marketing for brand building, creating memorable messaging that enhances brand awareness and customer loyalty. It drives revenue by converting visitors into leads and customers, impacting return on investment. Additionally, it supports omnichannel strategies, powering digital marketing channels like ads, emails, landing pages, and social media with consistent, persuasive messaging. Effective copy hinges on credibility, attention, benefit assurance, and clarity. Build trust with transparent messaging and evidence. Capture interest with engaging headlines. Highlight audience benefits, focusing on outcomes. Use clear, concise language to respect your audience's time, ensuring your message is both impactful and easily understood. The 4 C's of copywriting, clear, concise, compelling, credible, are essential for effective communication. Use straightforward language, minimize word count for impact, focus on audience needs, and support claims with evidence. This approach ensures your message resonates, engages, and builds trust, making your audience the hero of the narrative. The before-after bridge formula is a powerful tool in copywriting. Start by identifying the audience's problem, making it relatable. Then, illustrate the positive transformation they can achieve. Finally, introduce your product as the bridge to this improved state, clearly explaining how it facilitates the desired change. Persuasive copywriting hinges on leading with benefits, focusing on outcomes rather than features. Write conversationally, using you to connect. Share relatable stories for emotional engagement. Provide social proof through testimonials and statistics to build credibility. Reduce risk with guarantees or free trials, removing barriers to action. The advertisement for FitTrack effectively uses persuasive copywriting techniques. It addresses a common pain point, offers social proof with over 100,000 users, and highlights benefits like customized workouts. The call to action is compelling, offering a free month to reduce risk and create urgency, encouraging immediate engagement. /B testing reveals the power of strategic copywriting. Original copy yielded minimal results, while revised and optimized versions achieved a 268% conversion rate increase. This underscores how persuasive copy and iterative testing can significantly enhance business outcomes, transforming potential into tangible success. The 40-40-20 rule emphasizes targeting the right audience and crafting a compelling offer, each contributing 40% to marketing success. Creative execution, including copywriting, accounts for 20%, yet it's the catalyst that transforms offers into irresistible propositions, ensuring deep audience connection and effective persuasion. Building a copywriting portfolio begins with practice projects. Create sample ads, email sequences, and social media campaigns for imaginary brands or nonprofits. Showcase versatility with persuasive, informative, and emotional styles. Include impact metrics, such as before and after examples, to highlight measurable results and improved engagement or conversion rates from your work. Grammarly and Hemingway Editor are essential for refining your copy, ensuring clarity and readability. Canva aids in crafting visually appealing content to enhance your writing. For continuous learning, platforms like Skillshare, Copyblogger, and American Writers and Artists Institute provide in-depth courses and active communities, crucial for developing and honing your copywriting skills. Professional copywriting involves drafting, editing, and refining. Test multiple headline variations to optimize response rates. Adjust tone to align with brand guidelines while ensuring authenticity. Collaborate with marketing strategists, designers, and stakeholders to ensure the copy aligns with campaign objectives. Copywriting is crucial for driving engagement and conversions. Consistently apply persuasive techniques and conduct A/B tests to refine your approach. Start with small projects to build your portfolio and enhance your skills. This journey will transform your marketing results, setting the foundation for becoming a successful copywriter.